Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to delete Line account permanently. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open Line application, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Line login ID and password. At the home page of your Line account, you can see the option of settings icon on top right corner. You tap on it. Under My Info section, you can see the option of account. Tap on it. Scroll to the very end. At the bottom, you can see the option of delete account. You tap on it. If you delete your Line account, you won't be able to log in with it anymore. Are you sure you want to continue? You tap on next. Here you scroll to the little down. You tap on the checkbox of each. Here you tap on delete account. Delete your account. It is the last time for the confirmation the Line has asked to you. So if you are sure to delete your account, you tap on delete. Here you can see I have been directed to the very first page of Line. That means my account has been permanently deleted. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to delete Line account permanently. Thank you.